Well, hi everybody. Good morning. Meteorologist Travis Klineski here on this Tuesday morning, getting set for some hot days ahead, but something that might be a little interesting. I was expecting plenty of sunshine, as we are seeing, but smoke might be a bigger issue. There is a, let me go, I'm going to actually push this over a little bit here. I might not be able to actually, but wanted to show the entire western United States, but I don't think I can right now here, but could be quite interesting. There's a lot of big fires out in California and Oregon, near the border of California and Oregon, in fact. And what's happening is the, well, let's see if I might be able to move this now here. There you go. It's originating in Northern California and Southern Oregon there, and it is moving towards us. Okay, and so what's happening is it's going over the big ridge of high pressure that's sitting right here. So it goes up and over and then down into our area, and so the smoke is moving in now. It wasn't really here last night, so it moved in overnight last night and earlier this morning, and it may be sticking around the next couple of days here. Look how it kind of streams right over our area today, tonight, tomorrow. It could be rather thick, in fact, and maybe even into tomorrow night as well. And of course, depending on how things originate with those fires in the coming days ahead, it might stick around for a little longer yet, maybe sweeping out a little bit by the weekend. We'll see. But yeah, so the next few days could be rather smoky, and that could influence temperatures a little bit, at least a few degrees. That is a possibility. Although I have not put that in an influence in my forecast as of right now, but it is a possibility. Otherwise, for most of us, pretty quiet. Some light patchy fog in eastern Nebraska. It's much thicker over the border into Iowa and Missouri. Again, that what's showing up there on Futurecast, I believe that is the smoky haze that is showing up right there and moving through. Futurecast is grabbing onto that just a little bit here, but otherwise it'll be fairly sunny for today. Getting into tonight, then mostly clear skies. Might see some patchy fog develop early tomorrow morning in some of the lower lying river valleys here in central Nebraska, so that is a possibility. Maybe some patchy fog right in here tomorrow morning. Otherwise, that'll burn off by mid-morning. It'll be plenty of sun again, but probably going to be a little smoky again, the way things are at least looking right now with that smoke forecast we looked at. Tomorrow night, another quiet night heading into Thursday, and the heat is on the next couple of days. Look at the highs for today, and again, this is not really factoring in the potential smoke that might hold temperatures down a couple of degrees. Most of us will get into the 90s today with the possibility of some triple digits over western parts of Nebraska. So plenty of heat in store now. With the air being a little bit drier, not so humid, temperatures will be able to drop off tonight, so 50s and 60s for overnight lows. Tomorrow's heat back for much of the area, upper 80s, lower 90s to the east, and mid to upper 90s to near 100 out towards the west. Tomorrow night, mostly 60s for overnight lows, taking us into a Thursday that's going to be hot again and on the windy side. Highs back into the 90s, and yes, some triple digits possible once again out west. Again, the winds are going to be a bit on the breezy side for your Thursday. They'll be out of the south at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Gusts could reach 30 miles per hour. And then things will start to change on Thursday in a big way. So a lot of heat the next couple of days, some smoky haze at least for the next 2 days, possibly longer. We'll see. I did include a little bit of fog for the Tri-Cities for tomorrow morning. Otherwise, lots of sunshine expected. It will be a breezy day on Thursday. Then here comes our transition day. Check out Friday. High in the lower 80s with a few extra clouds around, especially later in the day. It's a transition day as a cold front passes through, and behind that front, showers and storms are possible Friday night. Maybe as early as Friday afternoon, but more likely Friday night and continuing into Saturday. Probably not much of a severe weather threat. Very small chance of that, but it could be what looks like now a decently soaking rain. That's the big forecast change. Yesterday at this time when I was recording the forecast for Monday, it looked like a small 20% chance. Friday night, Saturday morning, that was it. But everything is kind of slowing down and looking a little more widespread now from some of the latest forecast models. That looks to clear out of here Saturday night, but might impact the Husker game, which is a Saturday evening kickoff, 6:30 kickoff. It looks like it could be wet for much of the game there in Lincoln. Then dries out for Sunday. The sunshine begins to return, and a fall-like day with a high around 70 on Sunday, 77 on Monday with lots of sunshine. Look at those fall-like nights down into the 40s Saturday night and Sunday night. It does look like those temperatures will continue to work their way back up next week, so we'll be back to near and then eventually above average high temperatures in the long range. Let's take a quick look at some of the long range forecast models. The European, again, not showing a lot the next couple of days. Very quiet weather through most of the day Friday. right here. But notice late Friday, a small chance of rain and thunderstorms becoming much more likely later on Friday night into Saturday morning there. This would be great news if we could pick up some moisture for a large part of the area, lingering into Saturday evening, especially in the southeast, before clearing out Sunday morning. And then it looks like it'll be mainly dry after that, heading into early next week. Let's take a look at the GFS forecast model, which is somewhat similar. Again, not much the next couple of days, quiet weather for the most part. And then look what's coming. Here's Friday. Again, small chance of rain late in the day, but more likely Friday night. And continuing right into your Saturday. And then Saturday night pushing southeastward could influence the Husker game before that clears out early on Sunday morning. And then the rest of the forecast beyond Sunday looks dry for the most part through next to Tuesday. Maybe our next chance of rain Tuesday night. We'll see. That's a long ways out though. So there you go. It's an interesting forecast hold now. Hope that maybe finally we can get some decent rain for our area and a little more widespread than what we've been seeing recently as well here. So we desperately need it, that's for sure. So, all right, well, I'm going to let you all go. I want to thank you all for watching on this Tuesday. I'll see you all again Wednesday morning with all the latest. Take care and God bless. Bye.